Hello friends, I Twinkle. Today in tutorial I explain what is string, string buffer and string builder. Let's see a string. Once we create an object, we cannot perform any changes in existing object. If we trying to perform any changes with those changes, a new object will be created. This no changeable nature is nothing but immutability of the string object. Let's see a string buffer. Once we create a string buffer object, we can perform any type of changes in the existing object. This changeable is nothing but mutability of the string buffer object. String buffer is like a string but modified string. You think when string used and when string buffer used. If in a string any type of changes is required, then string buffer use. Let's see. S is the object of string, SB is the object of string buffer. In a string buffer object, changes is possible. In a string object, changes is not possible. Let's see some method of string buffer. Set character at is the method of string buffer. We can set the value of particular position using set character at. Let's see example. First we create a class, then create string buffer object. String buffer object is the SB. First print only string buffer object using set character at. In a set character at, given the index which character you want to get, and print set character at. In a position of 1, H is the 0, E is the 1. First print E, and using set character at position 1 replace with I. Position 1 here E. E is the replace with I. Let's see the output. First buffer, only buffer is hello using set character at. First index is 1. First is E. After replacing with E is I, high, and then character at index is 1. That is E replaced with I. Append. In a string, append function. Append the new string. Let's see example. First create a class. String buffer object will be created. In a string S, sb.append, name append first, then dot append nm. Nm is the string. Dot append special symbol, then print nm. Then print string. Let's see output. First before append only twinkle. After append name and twinkle. Insert. Insert is the particular position in a string to set a new string. String buffer object will be created. Hi, hello, how are you? sb.insert in a position 4. In a position 4, you insert hello. Then output is hi, hello, and how are you? Reverse. Reverse the string. Reverse the string in a string buffer using reverse function. String buffer object create hello Java. String buffer object dot reverse. Then output. String is a reverse. Delete character at. In a particular position, delete the character. Given the index in a delete character at, you want to delete. T is the 0 position, W is the 1, I is a 2, and N is a 3. N is a delete. You see the output in N is a delete. Now you think what is the difference in a string buffer and string builder. String buffer is a thread shape. You think what is thread shape? In a string buffer only one object is working in a same time. And string builder all object is working at a time. Synchronized means one object is working at a time is called synchronized because one process is here. Slow than string builder because one process is at a time working. So string buffer is slower than string builder. Thank you.